Now I'm going to one of my Udemy courses and I get a link with a promo code. Here we are. I get a link, select all, copy this. Then next I'm going to bit.ly.com where I have an account and I will shorten my link. So I'm going to create bit link. I want to I click on paste the log URL. I'm gonna paste it and I'm gonna create this. So I say copy. I create here this. Then I'm going to Facebook and I'm going to promote. When I click on promote, I say you can promote your page, you can invite friends or promote your website if you want, or your contact us button. Now I want to do the following. I want to just post. So you can do this. You can do promotion. If you click here, you say promote your page, click here, and you need to write something here, put a text, upload an image or select an image, and here is the page. And then if you write something, this is my promotion. Okay, and then you can see here the audience, gender, men, women, or all, the age you can select, location, you can select location, you can add some interest. You want people with some special interest to see your web page. Well, educational Facebook tutorial, you can select web design, as you can see here, education, Facebook tutorial, YouTube, and web design. People that will see my page. Then the budget, how much money I would spend, the duration, you want 7 days, 14 days, whatever, and until paying for your ad, and then you click here. You want desktop newsfeed or mobile newsfeed or right column, okay, and then you promote. So you can boost your page. As I said before, you can promote your page, your contact us button, or your website, or invite also friends to like your page. It's always the same basically. Here is the page, and you click on promote, they will like your page, and again you have the audience, etc. Now I want to create a post. So I'm going to home, as you can see here, and then I want to here. Now you can create an offer right from your page. You can create an offer if you want to. Okay, you can create a here offer, and you say event milestone or note. You say an offer, and then you create. What is your offer? The URL, the percentage off if you want, the value, etc. You can do this. Or you can do the following. You can create an offer, URL, your bit.ly, percentage value is 50%, caption, the video course. Okay, input a photo if you want. The video course, okay. Photos. I have my image here, this one, and create an offer, and here we are. I share an offer, okay, which inspires one. You can boost your post. Okay, here, and I can boost this. So now I'm gonna cancel this for the moment. I'm going to create a post. I'm gonna copy again my bit.ly URL, paste it here, and you can see here how this is. And I'm going to select the following. I'm gonna hide. So I want only one image. This is the one that I want. I want to publish this. Now I want to boost, and I say which audience I want people you choose through targeting. It's very important. Not people that like your page or people who like your page and their friends. Absolutely, because you're going to target an audience to make money. Please, you choose through targeting. So location, I can edit the audience, gender, age, location, I can change the location. Interest, I'm going to edit the interest. I say web design, how to, okay, I can this. I'm going to edit this. I'm going to say video editing, then I want video production, okay, I'm fine. Camtasia Studio Audacity. Okay, I'm done. This is what I want. I'm gonna save this. Now the language is English. Budget, I want to have $10. I will reach this number of people. I want this to be finished in a few days. That's it. You want to track the conversion, you can also add a pixel if you want. I'm done. I'm gonna click on boost. I'm gonna wait this and I'm gonna close. And okay, so you see I have this post with the link also to like the page, because the people that will like this post, which are not my friends but are people interested in my topic, will see also my like page button. So this is very effective to make money, because you send promotions from Facebook and you will find targeted people coming to you.